Let's make this modern slide in PowerPoint, all the way from scratch. The assets used in this tutorial are given below. Let's start from a blank slide. Go to the Insert tab and add your image. Now right-click on the image and cut it. Right-click again and select Format Background. Go to Picture or Texture Fill and click on Clipboard. Now go to the Insert tab again, then go to Shapes and add a rectangle that covers the slide completely. Go to Shape Outline and select No Outline. Now right-click, select Format Background, then click on the rectangle we just added. Go to Gradient Fill, set the angle to 0 degrees, then go to the right gradient stop and make it black. Similarly, make the left gradient stop black as well. Select the right gradient stop and make the transparency 100%. Now play with the left gradient stop and position it like this, and give it a transparency of 5%. Now click outside. Go to Shapes and add a rounded rectangle. Hold the yellow dot and take it down. Now press Ctrl plus Shift and drag it to the right side like this using the left mouse button for a clean duplicate. Arrange them properly at the same distance. Keep repeating this until you have a total of 5. Select them and arrange them like this. Now select the first one and make it a bit smaller. Select the second one and make it larger. Then keep following for whatever pattern you want. Now right-click, select Format Background, then press Ctrl and keep left-clicking on every rounded rectangle to select them. Then select Slide Background Fill. Go to Line and select No Line. Now go to the pentagon icon here, and then go to Shadow and play with the settings. Give it a black color. Put the angle to 0 degrees. Make the distance 3 and blur 28. Click outside. Now let's add content to the slide. Go to the Insert tab and add a text box for the title and write your title. Use some nice font like Montserrat with size 32 and make it bold. Add one more text box and write your content. Make the font size 14 with the same font and arrange it properly and left align it. Arrange both the text boxes to the center of the slide. Now right-click on the slide preview and duplicate the first slide. Similarly, add your title and content. Now go to Format Background again, then go to Insert and add your new image. Play with the rounded rectangles. Make them bigger or smaller like you want, or just follow my pattern. Duplicate the second slide as well and change the title and content. Then go to Picture Fill again and insert a new image. And then play with the size of the rounded rectangles. You can see it's already looking amazing. Now once you are done, select all the slides by pressing Ctrl and left-clicking on the slide previews. Then go to Transitions and select Morph. Let's preview. Now you know how to make this nice modern slide in PowerPoint. Thanks a lot for watching.